If stubborn stains on sofas, car seats, and rugs keep coming back, this lineup will show what actually pulls grime out of fibers and what just looks the part on paper. Today's countdown of the best upholstery cleaners from 7 to 1 covers real-world suction performance, tank design, tool usefulness, drying times, and maintenance pain points, with a few surprising trade-offs early and clear frontrunners at the top. 7. Armor All SCC301 The Armor All Spot Cleaner feels purpose-built for quick car and fabric touch-ups, and its headline specs make sense for a portable. A dual-tank setup, around 21 feet of total reach combining hose and cord, and included tools like a tough stain head and a hose rinse accessory for odor control after wet jobs. In practice, the compact form stores cleanly and sets up quickly, which matters for spill emergencies in the car or on area rugs. The suction is supported by a high water lift motor and a modest airflow figure designed for spot extraction rather than whole room passes, so it excels on contained messes versus large saturated zones. On small stains, the tool head wets evenly, and the extractor's lift pulls browning out of mid-pile carpet fibers, with visible dirty return in the tank. A good outcome for coffee drips, road salt, and basic pet paw prints on mats or trunk liners. A short session shows off the convenience touches: cord wrap, hose wrap, and an included hose cleaning attachment that helps prevent hose funk between uses. These details genuinely reduce the "I don't want to set it up" friction that often leads to stain setting. However, extended sessions reveal trade-offs. The clean tank is roughly 0.4 gallons, and the dirty tank about 0.25 gallons. So you will refill and empty more often during couch cushions or staircase runs, which interrupts rhythm and can leave the fabric a touch wetter if you push too fast to compensate. 6. Uwant B300PRO. The Uwant pushes a power narrative hard with a claimed 18,000 pass of suction and a self-cleaning mode for the hose and nozzle, and it delivers a confident first impression on thick spills and set-in spots. Especially when paired with its concentrated solution dosing, the front-facing nozzle design gives better water control at the head, reducing overwetting, and a detachable brush head with a silicone panel makes it friendlier on leather trims and mixed upholstery than fixed bristle-only tools. Specs-wise, it lands at around 8.38 pounds, with a roughly 9.84-foot cord and split tank volumes of about 47-ounce clean and 41-ounce dirty, so you can cover a decent seat set before needing a refill. In testing on couch arms and car seat bolsters, the spray pattern and suction path feel deliberate, keeping streaks contained and lifting suds cleanly back to the tank without puddling at the head. The self-cleaning function is a real maintenance win. Run the cycle, and the system flushes residual solution and residue, which keeps hoses from smelling like pet enzymes a week later. Combined with the compact chassis, it's a strong home and auto hybrid with quick stow. Where reservations creep in is consistency across fabrics and the tendency to market suction figures that don't always translate linearly to faster drying on plush textiles. On dense cushions, you may still need slow passes and microsectioning to fully extract moisture, which narrows the gap between this and other mid to upper tier units in time to dry. 5. Ailltopd C5. Ailltopd C5 leans into value and capability, pairing a 500-watt motor with suction in the 11 to 15 kilopascal range, depending on listing, and dual large transparent tanks that reduce how often you pause to refill and dump during a couch and rug session. It typically ships with 2 brush head sizes, a longer than average hose and cord for better reach, and a hose rinse maintenance tool so you're not putting a damp, soapy tube back on the hook after every job. For a portable, the design aims to span from pet messes to wine and coffee on both upholstery and auto interiors. In use, the C5's larger tanks are the sleeper feature because they let you work in longer, uninterrupted passes, which is what actually shortens total project time more than a few extra points of suction. With the wide brush head, you can stripe across seat bottoms and ottomans efficiently, and then switch to the smaller head for seams, tufting, and arm creases without swapping bases. Noise levels are manageable for an extractor, and the portable weight means stairs aren't a chore. On tough, set-in stains, the C5 holds its own if you respect dwell time and agitation. The motor's steady draw helps pull suds and soil without collapsing the fabric hand. The extended hose reach is a practical gain for SUVs and sectional section edges where repositioning is annoying, and the transparent tanks give immediate feedback on how dirty the return is, which helps decide when to do a final rinse. 4. Kenmore KW2001. Kenmore's often labeled Spotlight brings a notably polished user experience for the price. Sub-11-pound portability, a compact footprint that actually fits under a sink, and a versatile toolkit with a 3.5-inch tough stain tool and a 6.5-inch wide path tool included out of the box. The dual tank system makes filling and emptying straightforward, and several retailers and reviewers highlight the practical suction and surprisingly long power cord for a budget-friendly spotter. It's pitched as a pet stain cleaner, but the general upholstery performance is what stands out. In real-world use on rugs and upholstered chairs, the wide path tool speeds up large patches while the smaller head gives you precision on seams and corners. And the machine's weight makes stair work plausible without needing a second person. The tanks remove and reseat without wrestling, and the combination of solution plus scrubbing and extract performance shows up in clearly dirty return water. Always a good sign that you're pulling soils out, not just moving them. For cars, the long cord and manageable hose length keep you from constantly shifting the base unit, and the compact body perches on a floorboard while you work seatbacks. It also doesn't drone too loudly for an extractor, which helps when you're dealing with pets or kids nearby. The accessories stow cleanly, and unlike some budget picks, the included tools are genuinely useful rather than filler. Power-wise, community chatter pegs it around a 7-amp class motor, which maps to robust spot cleaning suction for this size, and third-party listings quote about 17 kPa suction, aligning with the in-hand feeling that it lifts moisture efficiently if you move slowly. 3. Hoover CleanSlate FH1450. The CleanSlate is a known quantity in this category because Hoover nailed the fundamentals: strong extraction, an actually helpful tool set, and smart cleanup touches like a hose rinse tool and a removable dirty tank lid that lets you scrub inside the tank. Specs list a 40-ounce clean tank, 15-foot cord, and about a 4.5-foot hose, and the included 7-inch wide path tool plus tight spot tool cover both large spill fields and tight creases in one kit. At roughly 9.4 pounds, it's an easy carry around the house. On sofas and area rugs, the wide path head lays down and picks up evenly, and the extractor keeps suds moving back to the dirty tank rather than redepositing them a few inches away. The oxy-compatible approach with Hoover's solution makes permanent stain removal claims more realistic if you give the chemistry a few minutes to work. And in timed runs, the CleanSlate often finishes a stain faster because the suction remains consistent as the tank fills. That consistency is what makes it feel pro, even though it's consumer-friendly. Cleanup is less of a chore than many competitors. Pop the lid to reach the dirty tank corners. Then attach the hose rinse tool to flush residue so you don't trap smells in the line. Cord and hose management are decent, and the build tolerates being set on a stair tread without wobble. If you work across multiple fabrics in one session, the quick switch between tools is frictionless, keeping you moving rather than hunting for compatibility parts. 2. Eureka NEY101GR. Eureka is a lightweight, corded spot cleaner centered on simple, effective spray, scrub, suction, with a larger-than-usual clean tank capacity around 50.7 ounces paired to a smaller dirty tank, giving you longer runs per fill than many compacts. Users and reviewers call out the portability, manageable noise, and easy tank access for rinsing, and the footprint and weight make it a natural pick for quick deployments on couches, area rugs, and car interiors. It's a straightforward tool that nails the basics. On living room fabrics, The NEY101GR lays down a consistent solution stream and lifts back soils reliably, with enough suction to keep foam and moisture moving rather than pooling in the nap, so drying times are competitive for its class. The unit's shape makes it easy to carry with one hand and set on ottomans or steps without tipping. And the hose winds up cleanly, so you're not wrestling with storage after a job. For pet owners, that grab-and-go feel might be the difference between tackling a mess now or letting it set. The value proposition is strong. The larger clean tank means fewer refills, and the price point tends to undercut some big-name rivals while delivering comparable, real-world pickup. Bristle stiffness runs moderate, making it safe for a mix of upholstery without worrying about scuffing. Though deep, matted fibers still benefit from a bit of manual agitation before extraction if the stain has aged. 1. BISSELL SpotClean Pet Pro 2458. The BISSELL SpotClean Pet Pro claims the top spot because it combines the strongest overall package, a 5.7 amp motor class, a long 22-foot power cord, a roughly 5-foot hose, and a large 3/4 gallon clean tank that dramatically reduces refills during multi-seat or staircase jobs. It pairs a tough stain tool with a specialized stain trapper tool that routes the nastiest messes into a separate small chamber before the hose, which keeps the main line cleaner and reduces long-term odor, a genuine quality-of-life difference for pet owners. On stubborn stains, from grape jelly to dairy and pet accidents, the suction feels authoritative, drawing moisture and soils decisively on slow pulls with less need to revisit the same track. And the system tolerates generous pre-spray without bogging. The longer cord means fewer outlet changes on stairs or large sectionals, and the larger tank supports long, uninterrupted sessions. Both of these features cut total job time more than spec sheets suggest. Between jobs, a simple cup of water, hose flush, helps keep the line fresh, and the stain trapper head contains the worst of it for clean disposal. Beyond raw performance, the accessories and durability track records stand out. Owners routinely praise the combination of power and capacity, and while any wet extractor benefits from careful stowage, the Pet Pro's thicker hose and tool locks feel robust in hand. Should issues arise like hose strain from tight stowage, support channels and parts availability are widely documented across retail and brand sites, which matters for a machine you'll actually keep. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.